In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Shopify store. Whether you've rebranded your business or simply feel that it's time for a fresh start with a new name, changing the name of your Shopify store is a straightforward process. Stick with me, and I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you feel confident tackling this task on your own. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Open up your preferred web browser and type shopify.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log into your Shopify admin panel, which is the command center for your store operations. Look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the web page, and click it. Now, enter your credentials and sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you've successfully logged into your admin panel, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to scroll down towards the bottom where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This section is like the hub for all the foundational and customizable elements of your Shopify store. Next, in the Settings menu, find the option labeled General and select it. This is the section where you'll manage general details about your store environment. Under General, you'll find various types of information listed, but what we're focusing on today is the Store Details section. In this area, you're going to see your current store name listed prominently. Now here comes the fun part, actually changing that store name. Right next to your existing store name, there's a button that might say Edit, or simply show a pencil icon. Click on that. You'll now see an editable field displaying your current store name. Go ahead and type in the new name that you've decided on for your store. Make sure it reflects your brand identity effectively and that you're happy with it, because this is how your customers will recognize you. Once you've entered your new store name, remember to save your changes. You should find a Save button, commonly located in the top right corner of the page. Click it, and just like that, you've renamed your store. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully renamed your Shopify store. It's important to note that while the name change will reflect in your Shopify account and at checkout, it won't modify your store's domain name. Should you need to change your domain as well, that's a separate process altogether. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide makes renaming your store an effortless task.